Hey, I have to talk about this amazing diet that has completely changed my life. Now, wait for it. It's called the 1 week diet. A few weeks ago, I've noticed I put on a few extra pounds of unwanted fat. 10 pounds exactly. I guess during the holidays, I'd let myself go and I really hadn't been doing much exercise. So I started searching around for answers on how to lose weight quickly because I wasn't interested in doing a long, boring 6-month diet or anything like that. I wanted to lose weight fast. So I came across a program called the 1 Week Diet by Brian Flatt. It promised to make me lose 5 to 10 pounds of body fat, trim about 2 to 3 inches of my waistline, and go down a dress size or two, all in just 7 days. I was intrigued, but also a little skeptical. So I did some research and I read a lot of reviews about the program. And unlike other diets out there, 99.9% of them were positive. People were getting seriously good results with this diet. I read about some people losing up to 12 pounds even in just 1 week. So I decided to go ahead and I signed up. After all, I really had nothing to lose except for the unwanted fat. And after joining, I immediately got an email from the creator of the program, Brian Flatt, who filled me in on what needed to be done to start the diet. He provided me with 4 handbooks and asked a couple of questions about my health and, at the time, what my goals were. I got my specially crafted diet plan, which contained what foods I could and what foods I couldn't eat, how much or the quantities I should eat, my meal times, and even when I should be drinking water if I wanted to lose weight. The books contain some seriously high quality information about weight loss that I've never heard before. And I had no idea that cellular inflammation was one of the major causes of weight gain for most people. And that was partly why I put on weight. So after following the program for a week, I hopped onto the scales to weigh myself. And to my surprise, I had gone down 7 pounds. That was a weight reduction of 1 pound per day. I couldn't believe it. The diet hadn't been even that difficult at all. In fact, there were times where I forgot I was even on a diet. I was still able to eat plenty of my favorite foods and treat myself whenever I felt like it. I'm now repeating the diet and I've reached my 10-pound weight loss goal. I will probably stick with the diet for a couple more days just to lose some extra pounds and tone up my stomach some more. And my advice to anyone out there looking to lose weight quickly without beating yourself up in the gym or starving yourself or eating boring salads for months on end is to try the 1 week diet. I guarantee it'll work for you just like it did for me.